Hi guys, welcome back to Crazy Dave's Kitchen. Alright, what do I got for you today? It's an old recipe. I totally forgot about it until I came across an item at the store. Basically, what is it? Well, I found this can of whole water chestnuts. Let's see here if I can put it up to the camera there. So basically, here's the backstory on this thing. Years ago, and I mean like years ago, my Aunt Alice was visiting from Michigan out here to California, and she made these water chestnuts wrapped up with some bacon and some sauce that just blew my wife away. So my wife begged her to make it for her birthday, which she did, and she had, I mean, a massive tray, just ate them like candy. So I totally forgot about it, and I saw a can, not this one, but a can like this at the clearance section at my daughter's store where she works at when I went to go pick her up. And I go, water chestnuts. I go, oh my God, I remember that. And then it just came back to me, and the entire recipe came back to me, believe it or not. So I'm going to kind of show you what I did. I actually started writing notes down. Like, as I remember the recipe, I go, okay, blah, 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 blah. And I started writing this thing down. So basically, let me show you what I've got here, and then I'll read it to you real quick. But I got 3 cans of some whole. These are whole water chestnuts. You may not need 3. Usually 2 might be fine. So I'm going to open up 2, have the 3rd as a reservation because of the sauce. Okay, now you're also going to have a half a cup of mayonnaise. Any brand of mayonnaise that just happen to have Best Foods will be fine. For those of you guys on the East Coast, you are pretty favored towards a brand called Duke's. I can't really find it out here, but Best Foods works just fine. Even Kraft mayonnaise, whatever. You're definitely going to need these babies. Some toothpicks, okay. In this little jar here, or little, I don't know, big coffee mug, I mixed up a 1/4 cup of some brown sugar. And then we got a 1/4 cup of chili sauce. Again, not brand specific, buy whatever you want. Me personally, I hate watching TV shows, and when you see all this black tape all over the things, like, okay, dude, I know what that is. That's this brand or this brand. It's like, hello, it's obvious. And it stands out more so than if they were just to leave it alone, okay? And again, I don't care about what I call it, brand, product, placement, garbage, whatever you want to call it. So you're going to need that. So you've got the brown sugar, you got the chili sauce. You're also going to need this, bacon. Who doesn't love bacon? I mean, I love this stuff. But here's the key. See right here? That little word, you probably can't see it on the camera there. Low sodium. I'm telling you guys, for those of you that love bacon, some of you are loyal to regular bacon, some of you are not. Try low sodium bacon at least once, and you're going to fall in love with it. You're going to notice a huge, huge, huge difference. Okay, so that's what it is. So you've got the 3 cans of chestnuts, you've got the mayonnaise, you got the brown sugar, you've got the chili sauce, you've got your bacon, you've got your toothpicks. Let's put this baby together.
For some reason, my microphone got turned off here. It's a new microphone setup, so I'm still trying to figure it out. What we're doing right now is we're going to go ahead and open up the can of the water chestnuts. We're going to go ahead and drain that into the sink, okay? So let's go ahead and finish that up real quick here. All right, so that's done there. So now what we're going to do is we're taking the 1/4 cup of mayonnaise and we're adding it into the bowl with the chili sauce and the brown sugar here, okay? I'm going to use a whisk, and I'm going to whisk it up really good. You want this sauce to be really super smooth here, so we're just going to keep whipping it up. We're going to go left, and we're going to go right, and we're just going to, get it really, really mixed up here, okay? That's really super important. Now, if you want, sometimes, taste the sauce. You can add some additional spices to it to your liking. I ended up adding some garlic to it, along with a little bit of black pepper, just a little bit, to season it up a little bit. And also I added some cayenne pepper. If you want a little bit more sweeter, it was pretty sweet as is with the brown sugar. You can go ahead and add a little bit of honey here, okay? So keep mixing that up until it's nice and super smooth. And then we're going to go ahead and move on to the next step. Now, what we're doing here is we cut the bacon in half. Okay, we removed it from the package. And now we're going to go ahead and dump out the toothpicks here, so we have them all to the side. And we're going to wrap each one of these up individually. We're only going to use a half a slice of bacon for each one of these little chestnuts. So take a look at this. So I'm kind of wrapping it here. Sorry about the camera angle there. I didn't realize it was off camera. But here we are. We're going to wrap it up. Okay. And what you want to do is also rotate the chestnut and fold the bacon back over. And then you're going to go ahead and put the toothpick into the actual chestnut itself and hold the bacon together. Once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and put that into the tray. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and finish these up, wrap them all up, and I'll bring you right back. Okay, so here they are. They're all wrapped up. I got them in the pan here. And now what I'm going to do is take that beautiful sauce here. And I'm going to start drizzling it over the bacon and the water chestnut. At first, you may think that you don't have enough sauce, but you really do. Now, once I'm done pouring this, what you want to do, and I don't have it here on camera, is you take a basting brush and you grab it from the bottom of the pan and you start brushing it all over the bacon, okay? Get it everywhere. And once you're done with that, you're going to take this whole pan and you're going to take it to your refrigerator for about 2 hours, okay? You want that sauce to marinate into the chestnuts, into the bacon, and you want that bacon to kind of get a little bit more firmer, okay? Especially in the fridge. Because when you put it into the smoker, that's where the magic happens.
Okay, so right now I just removed these from the refrigerator, and you'll see that, it's kind of the sauce is a little bit thicker, got a little bit lighter. That's because now the bacon is really nice and cold. I'm going to go ahead and throw those into my smoker, and I'm going to set it for about 225. We're going to do it for about an hour to an hour and a half. Then what we're going to do is we're going to put it probably in the oven on the broiler because I want the bacon to be crispy, or I might even put it in the air fryer.
So here they are in the grill. They've been in here for about 30 minutes so far. I mean, they're looking awesome. Now, if you want, you can still take that basting brush and start basting over the bacon, but I don't think that's necessary. I'm just gonna leave them as is because I want that bacon nice and crispy. So here's what it looks like after about an hour. Believe it or not, they're actually really crispy, and I did not have to put them in the broiler or the air fryer. These things are absolutely awesome and amazing. Well, there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment below. You're watching Crazy Dave's Kitchen. I'm out.